Let's talk about the key differences between Philips Core-Line and Philips Ledinaire batten. These buttons are ideal for many different applications such as industrial production spaces and technical premises, but they also work perfectly for coves, general lighting areas, and in assembly and utility areas. Regarding energy savings, Core-Line offers up to 66% over conventional lighting with an efficacy of 139 lumen watts, and Ledinaire 60% with 111 lumen watts. Core-Line comes in 4 lengths and Ledinaire in 3. If you need higher water resistance, choose Core-Line. Core-Line offers up to 10,000 lumen and Ledinaire up to 8,000 for single and twin replacements. Both come in 4,000 Kelvin and Core-Line also offers 3,000 Kelvin. Ledinaire is not dimmable, but Core-Line has different dimming options, DALI and smart lighting control, meaning that they can be wireless connected to our smart lighting platform Interact Pro. Emergency lighting versions are available in both. Installation is easy for both families, with push-in connector and pull relief. In terms of mounting options, both can be surface mounted or suspended. Through wiring option is also possible. And as a plus, Core-Line has the INEC mark. If you want to learn more about Philips Battens, check Battens in the Signify LumExpert app. Thanks for watching.